Get your caffeine fix with our easy coffee bar recipe. Hey, coffee lovers! Welcome back to our channel. The coffee bars recipe. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss an episode. And if you're as passionate about coffee as we are, give this video a thumbs up. Alright, it's time to get our caffeine fix coffee bars. Ingredients: 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 1 cup brown sugar. 2 large eggs. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 3 tablespoons instant coffee granules. 1 cup chocolate chips. For the coffee glaze, 1 cup powdered sugar. 2 tablespoons brewed coffee. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until light and fluffy. You can use an electric mixer or mix by hand. Beat in the eggs one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract. Mix well after each addition. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, salt, and instant coffee granules. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture, mixing until well combined. Stir in the chocolate chips until evenly distributed throughout the batter. Spread the batter evenly into the prepared baking pan, smoothing the top with a spatula. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with a few moist crumbs. While the bars are baking, prepare the coffee glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together the powdered sugar, brewed coffee, and vanilla extract until smooth. Once the bars are done baking, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Drizzle the coffee glaze over the slightly cooled bars, using a spoon or a piping bag. Allow the bars to cool completely in the pan before cutting them into squares or rectangles. Serve and enjoy. These coffee bars are perfect for coffee lovers and make a delightful dessert or snack. They have a rich coffee flavor and a touch of sweetness from the chocolate chips. Enjoy them with a cup of coffee or as an after-dinner treat. And that's a wrap for today's coffee bars adventure. We hope you enjoyed joining us on this incredible journey and discovered some new coffee bars. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell, so you never miss an episode. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The Adult Alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.